Quick video today just to share with you something very important, how to extend the height of your tea stakes, whether that is for, a fence around your chickens or like I've done here, shade for my new avocado trees. This bacon is still doing well, still sending out fresh new growth, but that new growth is tender. And although avocados are fine with the heat and love the sun, they don't really like the kind of heat we've been having. We've recently been over 105, 108 for over a week straight, and those temps are only going to get hotter as July approaches. So yeah, I needed shade cloth, and that shade cloth that you can see above there is working. The new growth is undamaged, but 8-foot tea stakes, that just wasn't high enough, even though these trees are only about 6 feet tall at the moment. Once you've got your 8-foot stake pounded in the ground, it was basically putting the shade cloth right about a half an inch above the tree. So I needed to extend the height, found a super easy way to do it. I discovered that 1.5-inch PVC pipe fits perfectly over your tea stake, slides down very nicely. In fact, it was a little loose, so I tied on this fabric here, just an old piece of a frost protection blanket. It was falling apart after many years. Tied it on there, creating a stopping point, and suddenly I have height. You can have the hardware store cut these PVC pipe for you. Ace did it for me, no problem. And you can get it in any, length you want. I got 3-foot lengths, added one to each corner. And that was super easy. I attached the shade cloth at the top by winding it around and securing it with one of those bungee ball things. Very simple. Did it in about 30 seconds. Now there is at least 2 feet clearance above the tops of the avocado trees, so they can keep growing all summer. And if I want to, I could extend these higher next year. So that's my easy answer for how to extend the height of your tea stakes for whatever reason you wish.